Here's a first look at the newly refurbished Boardwalk and Deluxe Studios at Disney World. This is the hallway, the new hallway. Stunning. Night and day difference. The colors, the carpet, everything. This is how it used to look. Look at this. Looks junky compared to that. The turquoise colors, you know, this colors reminds me of Disney Cruise Line, Disney Wish. It's got this type of hallway going. Look at the details in the lamp, the Mickey, the Minnie, Dapper. It's like the Grand Floridian's deluxe rooms used to have that type of theming. This is how the room used to look when you first walk in. You got the carpet, the chairs, the table over there, the colors of the wall. You can see it's like there's color to the wall. And this is the new. You got a double Keurig, which is great. The backsplash is the same. Now the floor is all laminate. You don't have that chair, the table to the trundle bed in the living room anymore, which is a shame. Here's a look at the old area. Pretty much it stayed the same except the microwave is older. This is the sink, and it had theming around the mirror. Single sink. This is how it used to be. This is the new one. There's no theming. It's just a frame. It's okay. Not much of a difference. I like the lamps on the top. I like the sink better. It's square, not oval, like the old style. It's good. Not much of a, it's a little upgrade. Not really. Just more nice, I guess. Anyways, this is the bathroom, how it used to be. You got the shower curtain, which is horrible. Now it's got the sliding glass door, and the floor is different. I just don't like shower tub combos. I wish it was a walk-in shower here, but what are you gonna do, you know? Here's how the bedroom used to look. You got the old chair, not much going on. I didn't like this. Now look at it. Huge upgrade. This is actually how the Grand Floridian Studios kind of look now. You got the pull down bed, and you got the beautiful backboard, or what do you call it? The back of the bed, the artwork. There's a little carpet there by the couch. You have a nice couch. Huge upgrade. If you look here, you got Max and Goofy in the artwork up there. You got a table that doubles as a table and storage in front of the couch, which is fantastic. And I mean, here's a closer look at the artwork. Max and Goofy hanging out there at the pool. If you're a Goofy movie fan, you'll love this. And then when you open the bed, there's Max and Goofy sleeping. Goofy snoring and Max trying to cover his ears at the boardwalk. I love it. I love this artwork. And I also like the fact that its actual bed, pull-out couch, is horrible. All of them have to go. Here's some more artwork by the Queen bed. This is again akin to the Grand Floridian artwork they had in there. And then they also have this little ledge for like your phone right next to the bed. Here's what it used to be. So when the little trundle bed was closed, it would be a table with chairs, which was fantastic. I think the Wilderness Lodge, Boulder Ridge had that. They don't have that anymore either. So it used to be Dumbo when you open it. Now this picture's a little blurry, but it's Minnie and I think Mickey, or yeah, I think Mickey on the other side. Really nice artwork, but we lose the table. I mean, all in all, the biggest thing is this pull down bed with the couch. This is a huge upgrade, but otherwise you lose that table. And I would just wish there was more color to these rooms, especially this room with the Grand Floridian and the Saratoga Springs. You can't really tell the difference except just different artwork. So I'm not a fan of all these resorts that are different themed. of their rooms looking very similar except in the artwork, you know? They need to stop doing that. They need more color and they need to be more different. But otherwise, this is a place I would like to stay in now because it has updated the bed and all that stuff, and it's half the points of like staying at the Polynesian. So I will try to stay here a couple nights. It's not gonna overtake the Polynesian and Grand Floridian or anything for me, but I would love to stay here and see how it feels in the actual room and being by Epcot.